what can you draw back from your experiences, Neil, to help them, push towards their impossible dreams?
Well, first you got to start surrounding yourself with the people who are not dream killers. Those folks who say you can't do this, what they're saying, they're looking at themselves in the mirror and says, I can't do that. And they're trying to
Mm-hmm.
project that on you. And so you've got to first take those people out of your life. Put distance between you and them. And then you've got to find those people who are doing something, who are who are trying to better themselves, who are willing to also take the risk and are not afraid to fail. Because with all of these things, there's going to be failure. But is there truly failure? Or is it just a learning opportunity, a chance to go back and do something again and figure out, okay, how does it work now? And sometimes in our failures come the greatest lessons. So I really believe don't be afraid of failing. Don't be
Mm-hmm.
afraid of trying. Don't be afraid of getting it wrong. What are you going to learn out of it? And who's going to be around you who's going to say, get up, let's go again, let's try again. You can do this. You're going to find those mentors, those coaches, those supporters who will cheer you on even when you don't seem to have all the right talent. But then you develop these basic skills and then you hone those skills and you keep pushing. And as Malcolm Gladwell said in one of his books, 10,000 hours of practice before you become an expert.